up, guys? I'm Jonathan Ibarra with Street Tacos, and we're here with our 5th Street Tacos. Now I'm gonna show you what it's like. Come on, follow me. All right, guys, so little things that I talk about. Placement is everything. As you can see, you guys can view it from the street or the other side of the parking lot. Street Tacos right under the logo of Walmart, which is amazing. These guys are incredible for allowing me to be here. A big, huge thank you to them. And again, look at my setup. It's like every other Walmart. If you guys find locations, I highly recommend you guys trying to be as visible as possible, not hiding in the corner or anything. Get in front of everybody. Make sure that everybody know that you are there, and make a good presence, especially the look. Look at the look. I keep the look exactly the same in all my street tacos. So let's check it out, guys. Let's get up close. So you have the cashier with the tables that I like to custom make. I do the A-frame where it shows exactly what we sell. If you guys can look at the A-frame, it shows the menu, the food, everything we sell. It looks delicious, and trust me, everything is delicious. Don't take my word for it. Go and try it out yourself. We have the trash cans with the logos covered up nicely. Everything looks beautiful. We have the generator in the back, nice and quiet, doesn't bother anybody. We got the hidden propane tanks back there. We got cameras, we got lights. Again, we got the menus on the table, so in case you're ordering, you can see the menus right in front of you. Also in the back right here, they also put the menus in the back. Over here, we decided to put soda refrigerators. So again, if you guys are looking to get some nice cold sodas, everything's refrigerated, it's cold, and that way we're not wasting a bunch of ice. Finally, over here, guys, we have the salsa bar. Help yourself, fill up your tacos. Looks incredible. All right, guys, so there you have it. And I highly recommend you guys do put some music on. I do have this on, but for the video, I did turn it off. Check this out. I'm gonna be turning that on as soon as we're done filming. And then look at this shade right here that we have. I will be putting some Street Tacos bar top tables here so that people can eat if they choose to. Again, highly recommend if you have a stationary spot. All right, guys, another big thing that I'm always talking about is the fly nets. Again, if you guys do want that circulation, you guys do not want to keep it closed up like this, especially in the summer. This is the only way that the health department will allow you to keep your door open. So again, you do not want to mess with them. It's a big fine. Just go ahead and do the right thing and just put the fly nets, and that way the health department is not fining you for keeping your door open. All right, guys, so we did start off with a big Appa store here earlier today, but it's already halfway gone, as you can see. But again, the view is incredible. We don't have that post right here. You can see the Appa store. Everybody who comes out, especially at night, we do have lights, and it looks incredible at night as well as the daytime, but there's nothing like having it right in front of you. All right, guys, so I just got 3 tacos, one of each, carne asada, al pastor, and then carnitas. Gotta try one of each. Well, we still got more though. But again, we cannot have some plain tacos, guys. Come over to here to the salsa bar, and then let's fill it up. You know how I like it. I like to fill it all the way to the top, guys. Check this out. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Can't forget the carrots, and then some limes. All right, let's do all kind of salsas as well. They're all so good. I highly recommend you try all the salsas, guys. Check this out. Check that out, check that out. These are delicious. Look how delicious that looks, guys. When you come out here, please help yourself. Enjoy the tacos. Very soon, I'm gonna be putting some tables out here so you guys can chill out, hang out, and just enjoy your tacos. Delicious. All right, guys, so this is it. Come check us out, guys. We're open here from 12 to 12. Thanks for watching.